Hey guys, it's Maggie from Rock Paper Copy. In this video, I wanted to talk to you about new feature being introduced on Instagram, which is keyword search function on Instagram that people can find your posts based on the keywords you use in the description, which means that you don't need to use specific hashtags for this post to be found in the Instagram search results. Welcome to Rock Paper Copy, best place for Shopify store owners to learn about SEO, getting traffic and sales. And remember, if you find this video useful, smash the like button now, subscribe to my YouTube channel for regular SEO and marketing tips. If you use your main keyword within the description as a normal phrase in the post on Instagram, your post can still be found on Instagram, so you don't have to stress out about adding or researching new hashtags. Just remember, don't stuff your post info with the keywords, because the important bit is to really be relevant and be helpful, because you still want to connect with the reader, obviously, for them to share your post, for them to engage with your post. You don't want to sound robotic or generic, obviously. So you have to find this golden middle to be helpful without being spammy. But this is brand new function, and I think it's super useful because you don't have to stress about the hashtags anymore. You can just focus on the things that you do best, which is writing helpful product descriptions or helpful post descriptions, helpful post info. So this is perfect, and let me know if you have already used it. Do you find it helpful? How are you going to incorporate it into your strategy? And I'll speak with you soon. Bye bye. If you love this video, smash the like button now and subscribe to my YouTube channel for regular Shopify and SEO tips. Now check those two videos recommended for you here to watch next to learn about running a successful online business, driving free traffic and sales. I'll speak with you soon. Bye bye.